In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a video as unlisted on YouTube. Now the first step, guys, is you're going to go to YouTube and log into your account. From in here, you're going to click on the little create button right here and press upload video. Now you come to YouTube Studio and you can select the file that you want to upload. Let's say I want to upload this file. I'm going to press upload. And I'm going to give it title, description, thumbnail, everything like this. Come to video elements, check all of this. And when you come to the visibility part, you have the option to make it private, unlisted, or public. Now, if you want to make it unlisted, we just choose the unlisted. And unlisted basically means that anyone who has your link to the YouTube video can watch the video. So that's basically how you can do it on YouTube, guys. It's super simple and super easy. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.